Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the modem is online and the Ethernet cable is connected. Plug power to the modem first. Once done, power the Nest Wi-Fi point and open the Google Home app on your phone, then sign into your Google account. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled so the app can detect the device. You proceed now. Connect the Nest to the modem with the Ethernet cable, wait for the LED to pulse, and then follow the app prompts to add a new device. You pair the Nest by scanning the QR code or tapping the device found notification. The app walks you through voice and LED checks to verify connection. Next, name your Wi-Fi network SSID and set a strong password. This is where you control SSID visibility and guest access, so choose settings to match your security needs. Once the primary node is configured, add secondary points. Plug them in, wait for LEDs, and use the app to add each one. You finish by running the built-in speed test in the app to verify coverage and throughput. If a room shows weak signal, reposition the nearest point and retest. If setup stalls or a node fails to appear, restart the modem and the Nest unit, then reattempt the pairing steps. Power cycling clears most DHCP or provisioning issues. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the troublesome point and re-add it. Remember, this wipes custom settings, so use it as a last resort and keep your password handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.